The following video focuses on the mCVI application, a free-to-use mobile app that allows veterinarians to fill out and submit certificates of veterinary inspection from a mobile device, even in areas with limited or no cellular connectivity. In particular, this video covers the iOS version of the mCVI app that was designed to be used on iPads and iPhones. The mCVI app is also available through the Google Play Store for Android phones and tablets. When you launch the mCVI app, you will find a typical login screen where you will be asked to input your username and password. Here you will also find Create Account and Forgot Password options. Note that you must select a state before the Create Account option will be available. A state must also be selected before logging into the app. Tapping Create Account allows new users to enter the basic account information needed to request an mCVI account through the account portal. All fields with a red asterisk are required in order to create an account. The CC email addresses field at the bottom of the page allows you to enter email addresses where you would like your completed CVIs to be sent. You should separate multiple email addresses with commas. Your CVIs will automatically be sent to the state vet's office for the state which you selected, as well as to yourself, so there is no need to list those email addresses here. You will receive an email from your state vet's office letting you know that your account is activated. Note that an internet connection is needed in order to create an account through the mCVI app. If you use the mCVI application's predecessor, iCVI, your account might have been migrated to the new application. If so, your username and password will be the same as they were on the iCVI app. Also, your single account can be utilized across platforms, meaning that you can use the same username and password to access the mCVI app on your iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, etc. However, a particular certificate will stay on the device on which it originated. If you have forgotten your password, tapping on the Forgot Password option allows you to request that your password be reset. Simply enter in your username and email address, and instructions for resetting your password will be emailed to you. After logging in, you will see two tabs at the bottom of the page, CVIs and Account. You will automatically be taken to the CVIs tab. Here, certificates are displayed in one of four categories: In Progress, Server Rejected, Pending Delivery, and Delivered. In Progress certificates have not yet been submitted, and you may continue filling them out at any time. Server Rejected certificates have had a communication error with the mCVI servers. If any of your CVIs are ever in the Rejected category, try opening the certificate and submitting it again. Please contact the mCVI Help Desk if you continue to have issues. Certificates pending delivery have been submitted, but are not yet uploaded to mCVI servers. Any certificates submitted outside of a cellular network are cached here. When you return to an area with service, open the app and pull down on the CVI list screen. Doing so will refresh the app and send any pending certificates. Delivered certificates are completed CVIs that have successfully been submitted. The CVIs tab includes a filtering mechanism to allow you to navigate your certificates more efficiently. This capability allows you to quickly locate your previously filled out certificates. For instance, you can use the filtering mechanism to load all of the certificates you delivered during a particular period of time. If you would like to filter your certificates, tap on the small magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. A box opens allowing you to select your desired filter criteria. You may filter your certificates by either a preset date range or a custom date range of your choosing. Tap Apply after choosing your desired filter criteria to filter your available certificates, or tap Cancel to return to the CVIs tab. Tap the new CVI icon in the upper right-hand corner to fill out a new certificate. A pop-up box will open asking you to select the type of CVI you would like to fill out, large or small animal. After making your selection, a new certificate will open and you are ready to begin filling out the pertinent information. At the bottom of the page, the title bar displays the name of the page you are on currently. Tap the page name to bring up a navigation pane at the top of the page. The navigation pane allows you to quickly move between certificate sections. The small red number in the upper right-hand corner reveals the number of fields that either still need to be filled out or that have been filled out incorrectly within that particular section. Within the certificate, the red text provides an explanation about the specific error and allows you to quickly identify which fields need your attention. Below the navigation pane, you can scroll up and down to see the specific location of the data fields within each section that need addressing. Tap on a particular section subheading to navigate quickly to sections with data fields that need to be filled in or corrected. After using the navigation pane to reach the place you would like to work on, tap the page name again or anywhere on the screen to hide the navigation pane and continue filling out the certificate. You may also simply swipe left and right to navigate between pages, or use the left and right arrows at the bottom of the screen instead of using the navigation pane if you would prefer. When all required fields are properly filled in within a section, a green check will appear. A green check does not indicate that every field within a section has been filled in, but rather that all fields required to send the certificate are complete. Any additional fields are optional. There are 6 major sections within each certificate: Visit Overview, Consigner, Consignee, Carrier, Statements, and Animals. The Visit Overview section includes general certificate and veterinarian information. Note that the veterinarian section is pre-filled out with the information you entered when creating your account. Also notice the blue Context Help icon located beside the Email Recipients field. Tap the icon or the field name itself to open a pop-up box with a short description about the corresponding data field. The Consigner, Consignee, and Carrier sections include contact information for those 3 categories respectively. In each of the 3 sections, you have the ability to export or import contact information to or from your device's address book. Tap Address Book followed by Import to import consigner, consignee, and carrier information directly from your device into the app's corresponding section. Conversely, you can fill out the consigner, consignee, or carrier information within the app and tap Address Book followed by Export to export those details into your device's address book. After tapping Export, you can either select Create New Contact or Add to Existing Contact depending on your preference. Within the Statement section, you can fill out disease certification statements. The Custom Statements button allows you to create and save disease statements of your making. Tap Edit followed by the plus sign to create a custom statement. Tap Save to add your statement to the list. Add as many custom disease statements as you'd like and then tap Done. To add one or more of your disease statements to the certificate, select the appropriate statements and tap Apply. This capability allows you to quickly add disease statements to your CVIs and prevents you from having to use free text entry to add the same statement to different certificates. Note that the statements you add to the large and small animal CVIs will remain in their respective certificates. Large animal statements will not show up within the small animal CVI, for example. The Animal section is where you will enter specific information about the animals being transported. In the Small Animal CVI, tap Add, select a species using the drop-down menu, and fill out any relevant fields. In the Large Animal CVI, tap Add next to the corresponding species to fill out any additional fields. You also have the ability to copy an animal entry. Tap Edit on the left-hand side of the entry you would like to copy, select the entry by tapping the empty circle, and tap Copy. A pop-up box will open asking you to indicate the number of copies to make. Enter the number of copies you would like and tap Copy. You can also use the Edit button to delete animal entries. Tap Edit, select the entries you would like to delete, and tap Delete. Notice that the numbers on the left-hand side will remain the same regardless of the entries you delete. In addition, data can be imported from a CSV file. To import data, tap Import CSV in the upper right-hand corner and select the location of your CSV file. After choosing the CSV file to import, tap each field and select the corresponding column to complete the field mapping section. Then tap Done to complete the importing process. After you have filled out all of the required fields, the Submit icon in the upper right-hand corner will be enabled. Tap that icon to see a preview of your CVI. If you are satisfied, tap Submit followed by Accept. Delivered certificates can be reviewed, printed, exported, or edited for resubmission. Tap on the Delivered CVI to perform any of the aforementioned actions. Tap the icon in the upper right-hand corner to print, email, or export the certificate. Tap Edit if you would like to edit the certificate for resubmission. Note that editing a CVI will update its certificate number to include a revision number. Tap Confirm in the pop-up box to edit the certificate. After making any needed changes, tap the Submit icon in the upper right-hand corner to resubmit the CVI. Finally, you can delete a CVI by swiping the certificate to the left from within the CVIs tab. Tap OK in the Confirm Deletion pop-up box to delete the certificate. Under the Account tab, you can update the basic account information you previously entered when you created your mCVI account. Note that you will need to re-log in here as the Account tab technically takes you to a separate account portal. Please contact your state vet's office if you have any additional questions about your mCVI account. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. We really hope the mCVI application improves your process for submitting animal health certificates from the field.